and welcome to the channel again. In today's video we're going to be talking about resistance and support area, and I'm going to basically talking about how to use them and how to trade them when you know where the support and resistance or supply and demand, which is kind of the same idea in a different way. So as you can see, I'm on TradingView now, and this is my page. If you look at this area, red and blue, up here blue, down here red, so it's basically showing me where the area of demand or resistance is. I'm gonna just highlight it for you guys if you see it most likely, but I just want to make sure it's clear. So we are looking in these two areas, so support down here, resistance or demand down here, and supply. So depending on, let's just start over with how to bring the indicator in this area. I just deleted the indicator which is on TradingView, so all you have to do is go to indicator. Just gonna add it here, supply and demand visible range with created by Lux Algo. So that's what I was using. So this is what you want to be using. So the good thing about this indicator is every time you're using it, depending on the time frame, it gives you the level. So I'm just going to delete those areas that I highlighted. So supply and so as you can see, this area that is red is basically your supply or demand, and this area is supply, where most people trying to get rid of their position or sell. So sometimes you have to watch different time frame to get the better sense of which area is more important. If you go on hourly or 4 hours, of course your view of the time frame should be different. Like at that area, support and demand is different than in 4 hours or even daily. Daily is very low because we are not trading daily now, but imagine if we were here, this is like super low for something like Nvidia. But if we go to 4 hours, it brings us closer because our time frame is shorter than daily. So let's say you are trading 15 minutes. That would be a perfect area to trade. So if you are trading Nvidia and you already have a position, so you probably want to get your exit plan around this area. So that's where everything makes sense. And of course, make sure you have a trend line. As long as the still trend line is holding, you can trade it, but definitely I would look into, now the price for Nvidia is 109, so you're looking around 112 to 15 at the resistance area or supply and demand area. If you are trading shorter time, like me sometimes, or if you day trading, or maybe even if you are swing trading, so this is where you wanna watch for exit strategy. So where you want to get out is basically the same area. So this is why I love this indicator, because it gives me at least overall view of how the market is looking at the ticker and how do you want to trade it. So as you can see here, demand was a lot, and bought out all the way to here, and now we are looking at supply. It's going to be up here, basically resistance. So some people like to see the resistance holds and trade the breakout. So depending on market sentiment, yes, it's a good strategy. But with the strategy that we are looking at this point, with the market being a little bit of bearish side, because with all the tariffs happening, I wouldn't trust any breakout, at least at this time. I would look into support and resistance, or supply and demand. So that would be the strategy that I will look for. So you can always change the time frame to whichever you want. I actually had a trade today. I was holding it for a couple of days, and today I got out on my trade that I had, which was SOXL, and I think SOXL I just got out actually here. It might go higher, no question. It might, but I would rather be safe than sorry. So I would always look for getting back if I wanted to trade it again around the area that I think it's worth to invest or take position. So that's the strategy or indicator I was going to share with you guys. Hopefully you get benefit from this video, and I will share more video regarding some indicator that I use. But definitely this is one of my indicators that I always check and see if the area that I'm looking at, and also I'm considering support or resistance area, makes sense with this indicator, which is kind of confirmation. So I hope you enjoyed that video, and until next video, you guys have a wonderful